In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach and detach an additional network adapter, commonly referred to as a network interface card, or NICE, to a Windows virtual machine within Azure. Whether you're looking to expand your network capabilities or streamline your VM's configuration, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process using the Azure portal. So let's dive right in. First, it's important to prepare your virtual machine. To begin, you'll need to stop or deallocate the VM. Head over to your Azure portal and locate your virtual machine. Once there, find and click the Stop button. It's crucial to wait until the VM's state changes to Stopped Deallocated before proceeding. This step is necessary because the Azure system requires the VM to be in a deallocated state to attach a new network interface card via the portal. Once your VM is properly deallocated, navigate to the Networking section of your VM's configuration. Here, you'll find an option labeled Attach Network Interface. Clicking this will either present you with a list of any unused NICs that are available within your network or signal that you need to create a new one. If a new NIC needs to be created, ensure it exists within the same subscription, resource group, virtual network, and subnet as those compatible with your existing setup. Once your NIC selection is made, solidify this configuration by clicking either OK or Save. At this point, Azure will work on updating your VM settings, so be patient as the changes take effect. Now that the NIC is attached, you can return to the Overview section and start the virtual machine once more. When the VM is back online, proceed to log in via Remote Desktop Protocol, commonly known as RDP. While inside the Windows environment, navigate through the Control panel to reach the Network and Sharing Center, and then access the Change Adapter Settings menu. Here, you should now see a listing for the newly added Ethernet interface. You'll want to configure any necessary IP settings, whether static or via DHCP, as well as update DNS, routing, or gateway setups. Keep in mind that certain Windows versions may also require adjusting metrics or the binding order, especially if multiple network interfaces are in use. If the time comes when you need to detach a network interface, you'll follow a similar process. Begin once more by stopping and deallocating the VM. In the Networking section, look for and select the option to detach the network interface. You'll need to choose which NIC to remove, but remember, a VM must always have at least one NIC attached. After making your selection, click OK or Save to apply the change. Once Azure confirms the update, simply restart your VM. Finally, for housekeeping, log back into the Windows environment to disable or remove any IP configurations and routing associated with the detached NIC. This final step helps prevent any potential conflicts that may arise from orphaned settings. And there you have it, a comprehensive approach to managing network adapters within Azure for your Windows virtual machines. Be sure to double-check all configurations for accuracy and enjoy the enhanced network setup.